How to appear offline on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Instagram and make sure that you have a latest version of Instagram. If you are on the home screen, just go to your profile icon at the right bottom of your screen and then hit the three lines at the very top, and then proceed to your settings. If you want to switch off your online status on Instagram, just go to your setting and scroll down to your privacy. You have to go to your privacy and then select the option called activity status. Just below your guides you can see the activity status option. Just hit that option. Now you can see my activity status is switched on. If you want to switch off, just switch off this option and no one will be able to see that you are online on Instagram. In this way you can appear offline on Instagram very easily. Just switch this option off, and here's the way to appear offline on Instagram. So hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.